Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here aboard Margaritaville at Sea Islander, and today we have the Far Side Sampler Dining Package. So we're going to go around and see what that's all about. It's going to be so much fun, so make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, like I said, we are here on the Islander. Super excited to be here. So we're going to go around and check out what this sampler package is that Lewis purchased. I have no idea what it is, but I guess we get to go to 3 different restaurants and have a little bit of everything, right?
Yeah, it is. We pre-purchased our sampler package before we got on the ship, so it was $50 per person. That gives us a $25 credit to spend at 3 different restaurants.
Okay.
We're going to go around and eat at all 3 of those, as well as the main dining room, Fins or Islanders as well.
Cool. Alright, so with that, we're not going to go all 3 places today, so it'll be over the next couple days. So hang out with us and we're going to see all the things. Let's go.
So we're actually already in place for the first restaurant. That's directly over my shoulder here. That is Far Side Sushi. So let's go see what we can get for $25.
Alright. Alright guys, here's what the menu looks like. So how does this work?
Alright, so since we purchased the sampler package for each of us, we get $25 per person. So it looks like that kind of works out to basically 2 rolls and a starter each.
Cool. I also ran one at the table. Louis got the salad, and I got the
edamame. This is the Zen Garden salad and the edamame.
I got some soy dressing.
Oh, is that supposed to go on here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I apologize for the background noise. They are teaching us how to two-step apparently behind us. So that looks good.
I think that's grapefruit. I don't know why they love grapefruit so much on the ship, but it seems like it's everywhere. I'm not a grapefruit fan. Okay. It is really good. Greens are fresh. Dressing is very savory.
Okay.
So I really like the salad. I think it's tasty. All right, we'll give the edamame a shot here. It's got like a spicy, I don't know.
Tahini?
Is it tahini? Yeah.
Is it sweet and sour?
I say it's mostly hot, mostly spicy.
So that's not tahini then?
Yeah,
Okay.
so I don't think you're going to like it.
Okay.
But I think that the heat is good, but if you don't like spiciness, you probably won't enjoy that. But yeah, typical edamame.
Alright, hopefully you guys can hear this over the din of the country music behind us, but we have 3 of our 4 rolls here. So we have the volcano roll, the Duval Street roll, and then the...
Now this is the Yucatan, and this is Duval Street.
Duval Street, okay. So we have the volcano, the Yucatan, and then the Duval Street. We've got 1 more coming. And then that's Lewis's casino roll. What do you think so far?
Yeah, so far I've had the Duval Street. Delicious.
Good.
So I've tried all of them now. I can say they are all really good.
Yeah, really fresh
and
too.
I'm not one that typically likes sushi. You know, not very much anyways. We eat it occasionally, but I like all this. And I'll definitely be cleaning my plate.
And I will say the volcano roll is a little spicy, but I am here for it.
It is a little on the spicy side, but it's good. I like it.
My lips are a little numb. But
it's that same spice that was on the edamame, actually. All right, so first meal is done. I thought it was really good. And actually, I was really surprised with how much food you actually get for that $25 limit. So, as we mentioned, the package itself was $50 before we got on board. So it gives us $25 to spend at 3 different restaurants, and it feels like we get quite a bit of food. Yeah, I'm not really much of a sushi person, but I did eat all of mine. It was pretty good. Yeah. You said yours was, the volcano roll was pretty hot, though.
Yeah, I'm still struggling. It was good. It was just spicy. So, but I think my favorite roll was the Yucatan. It wasn't too hot. Okay. Kind of reminded me of like a Philly roll.
So we got 2 more restaurants to try.
And then the main dining room.
Yeah. Oh, one other thing that I did notice too was I thought that we'd already paid prepaid gratuities on that $50, but apparently we did not. So our $25 also had another like 4 and some change of $5 for the gratuities added to it as well.
24 hours later.
Okay, so it's day 2 for us with the sampler package that we got here. So we're actually sitting at the Port of Incidents buffet on the inside because it's just too bad on the tiki bar outside, right?
Yeah, plus it's hot out there too. So if you want to sit out there by the pool and eat and kind of party, it's loud. But it's probably better for the audio if you're sitting inside.
Yeah.
And, I think we've had a lot of outside today, so we want to be inside. All right, guys. So for dinner tonight, we decided to eat at Island Eats. So this is day 2 of our Far Side Sampler package. So again, we have $25 to spend at each of the restaurants. So the Island Eats menu is mostly seafood, so a lot of shellfish. Christina can't eat shellfish, but we did find a few options that maybe she can eat, and we're going to give those a try. I'm looking forward to a lobster roll. I think it's going to be great. We just got back on board from Cozumel. Had a great day in Cozumel, and if you want to know what to do in Cozumel, then we'll put a link in the description below where we did everything. We did an island tour, we did ATV tour. We went to a cenote, we went to the beach, we did some shopping, crammed in way too many things in such a short period of time, but we did it all and it was a blast. So link in the description down below to that video. And there's Mexico right out the window, so leaving Cozumel.
Alright guys, so here we are. So here is my black and dorado, which apparently is mahi mahi, so that's going to be really good. This is my margarita pie. Lewis has the lobster rolls, and then that is the conch salad. So good luck to you on all that, bruh.
Yeah, I like conch fritters. I'm not sure if I like conch salad, but...
No, you don't like conch salad. I don't even know why you ordered it.
Yeah, it's not bad. I do like lobster rolls though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is good.
Yeah? Worth it?
Big chunks of lobster, nice buttery roll. Delicious.
Right, and then Lewis is going to try the margarita bar.
Yeah, I'm kind of confused. Like,
Probably like key lime pie, if I'm being honest with you.
kind of similar to a key lime pie.
Yeah.
Maybe a lemon pie. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. How's your sandwich?
Pretty good. It could use maybe a little salt, but overall, not bad. So mahi mahi is not a very fishy fish. So it's white and flaky. Pretty good.
Yeah, it's a white fish, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. You're very welcome.
Not bad.
Day 3.
Alright guys, and here's the menu for Ticky Grill. We're gonna grab some these items now.
Man,
What happened?
I got a ton of potatoes apparently.
And I'm gonna share.
Yeah, we'll share. And the wings, buffalo wings, I can feel them. They're hot. Love a good conch fritter. Not so much the conch salad. I didn't eat all my conch salad the other day. I don't think I'm gonna order that ever again.
I told you were gonna like it. Fresh out the grease, huh?
Yeah, but the fritters are good. And we'll eat the wing. Probably better not to do that on camera. Just take a single bite. Oh, those wings are killer.
Yeah.
Those are really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So it's got the conch fritters and the barbecue buffalo style wings with wedges. I got, which I guess is the sirloin tips and some rice. I thought it was supposed to be on a flatbread. I guess I must have, I can't read. And then I got the 8-layer chocolate cake, which, you know, for $5, what do you expect, right?
I can tell you the sirloin is good. I did see it wasn't just like tips that they fried up. It was a full-on steak and then they chopped it up, so it's tasty.
Good.
Try the $5 cake when there's free cake all over the place.
Bro. It's the only chocolate cake that I've seen.
You gotta get up at the right time.
Okay, fair.
But yeah, it's tasty.
Very good. Which is the winner?
I like the wings.
Yeah. Alright guys, that's wrap up our food tour of the Fireside Sampler. So here's Lewis with his thoughts about whether it's worth it or not. Because, you know, he's got plenty of opinions.
So as far as the Fireside Sampler package goes, is it worth it? That's the big question. So it's $59 per person. If you purchase it before your cruise, you get it for $50 per person. It does not include gratuities, so it's 18% automatic gratuity on everything that you order. And find this works out to roughly about $5 per meal. So even if you purchase it early at $50 per person, you're looking at probably about $65 per person all in. That being said, $25 at each of these restaurants does go a long way. And it's not really a sampler, it really is a full meal. You can definitely eat this and be more than happy. You may consider, well, you spent $50 on the sampler package, you get $75 worth of value. We actually found that oftentimes we left money on the table, somewhere between $2 to $5 per meal. We really did not get the full $75 worth of value. Don't get confused and think that Margaritaville of the Seas is similar to Royal Caribbean or NCL, where you have a separate dining experience for different dining restaurants. This is not really an elevated dining experience at these. I would say the food is definitely elevated from what you get in the buffet or possibly even the main dining room because you're paying for it. However, you're not in a separate restaurant. You're not apart from everyone else. When we ate at the sushi restaurant, we were just like in the hallway, which was also, you know, they were having line dancing lessons at the same time.
That was fun.
The other two restaurants are actually the same restaurant, and then for those, it's right next to the buffet, so you can sit outside in the heat and eat there by the pool, or we just walked into the buffet and ate at the buffet with everybody else. So if you're comparing this to like Royal Caribbean or NCL or something like that, where going to a dinner at a specialty restaurant may feel like a special date night on the cruise, it's not the case here on Margaritaville At the Seas. I would say just it's slightly better food. With that, I think it takes a special palate to really actually enjoy the food and get your bang for the buck for it. A lot of it is seafood. Obviously, one whole restaurant is sushi. Another one is majority shellfish with like one piece of mahi thrown in. So if you really love sushi and you love crab legs and you want chicken wings, you could probably get your values worth it. But I think for most people, it's not gonna be worth it. There's so much food on board. You feel like you're eating constantly when you're on a cruise ship anyways. And then now you feel like, well, I have to go eat that other meal because otherwise I'm leaving money on the table. I personally, I don't think that I would do this again.
Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. My 2 cents of all of the food that we had for the fair sample, what is it? The
Far Side Sampler Package.
The Far Side Sampler Package. I think the food was really good. Honestly, I think the food was a little bit more elevated in terms of quality as compared to what you would get at like the buffet or even the main dining room. So all that to be said, I think the food was better quality, but there really wasn't like that special experience. So
anyways, have you guys had the Far Side Sampler Package before? Let us know in the comments below. Have you eaten at any of the restaurants? Or what's your favorite restaurant? Let us know about that. We'd love to hear about it as well. And with that being said, we are out of here, and we'll see you next weekend.
bye.
Today we're here on board Margaritaville At Sea Islander. No, yeah, that's right.
All right, you guys. Let me get the hair in here. Can you put the hair in the shot?
No, what do you want? You want it this way? Because
No,
you're shaking your head the wrong way.
Hold it.
We're here aboard Margarita at Sea Islander, and today we have the Far Side
Margaritaville. You said Margarita at Sea.
okay. No, today we're here aboard Margarita at Sea.
Margaritaville.
Yeah, I know. The dressing,
Soy ginger.
soy ginger. I was trying to think of like how to describe it. It was the dressing. That's the first meal done, and I thought it was fantastic. We probably got to go somewhere else to finish. Like just mush it down in there. I'm trying to make it look like it's more lobster than it really is.
Yeah.
And if I ate it like that, I'm gonna make a mess of it.
That was the Yucatan roll. That is the casino roll. This is that's the Duval Street
This is
roll.
Duval Street. This is Yucatan. Casino, Volcano.
and Volcano. So there you go.
All right, you want to try it again?
Yeah. So this one is the Duval.
Yeah, Duval,
Yucatan.
Yucatan, Casino, Volcano.
Yeah. All right, so that is the Duval, that is the Yucatan, that is the Casino, and that is the Volcano roll. I got it. All right, guys, so it is. Hi, honey.